Hi, friends. I hope you all are doing good. So, today we will talk about a very important topic, personality development, which has more use now than it was earlier. So, what it is? The development of an organized pattern of behavior and attitude makes a person different. It also depends on temperament, character, environment, societal aspect, genetics, and so many other things. Now, why personality development is so important and why it is more important now when it was in earlier times? It helps you gain recognition, existence, acceptance from the people around you. It is important in evolving your professional as well as your personal life. It teaches discipline, punctuality. Now, to brief it, there are four types of personality: one, average; second, reserved; third, self centered; and the last, role model. Now, what is the average personality? An average person will score or behave in a set pattern always for a given work or given condition. Now, second, what is reserved personality? Reserved person will not mingle or socially be interactive, which is why people around can misinterpret and name them as arrogant, egoistic, which is not always correct. So now comes the third personality, which is self centered. A self centered person will always put him or her first in any given situation or given process. He will first only think of his benefit over others and will try to make himself secure and sound. Now comes the last personality type, which is a role model personality. As we all know, we all have a role model. We have somebody in our mind which we look up to whom we look up to. We want to be like them. We want to dream like them. We want to aspire things like them. So, this is a personality where an individual aspires or dreams to become or projects someone else. For example, in India, there are many people who would like to sing, act, be even behave like Amitabh Bachchan, because a lot of people dream to become or aspire to become like him. So he is a role model for many Indians around the world. Now, now friends, we are at the end of the video. So some useful tips on personality development can be: first, overcome your fear, especially when you're on stage or at any social event. Second, read, read, and read. Read a lot. This shall open your horizon and scope and make you a better person. Third would be learn new skills. This can be anything. There's a lot to learn every day. Make more use of it. You can learn from anybody around you. Now, fourth, observe others. Look for people around you. If you look closely, you may learn so many things. As they say, there is no age for learning. Remember the woman behind the Harry Potter movie and novel? Yes, I'm talking about J.K. Rowling. She was first rejected with her then manuscript of Harry Potter. Can you believe that? If she would have given up, if she if she would have given up on her dreams, on her rejection, the masterpiece like Harry Potter would have never been made. So now we're at the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful And if you like the video, please share and subscribe, and please comment below. Till then, keep shining, and I'll see you soon. Bye.